I've been writing all my dues. What I left to do it, you got me blue with loosened screws.
What are we doing today? We are putting. Alright, let's just trust again. We are putting
exhaust
on a 650S.
Yeah.
What is it? What exhaust?
Trying to, anyways. iPE.
It's gonna sound
Catless, full exhaust, and tune.
good. And tune.
Yep.
What's the tune supposed to put out?
They say anywhere from like 80 to 100.
We got jack stands this time. So
We got jack stands, so the internet will
jack stands.
approve. Yeah, that's our jack stand.
What is this? A 12-hour install supposedly?
Supposedly. But we've got 5 guys divided by 12, so it should be like half an hour.
Yeah, we got this. We got this, fam. Everybody get a piece. You get a piece. You get a piece.
You get a piece. Everybody gets a piece.
What you doing, Joe?
Lift the wing up. Lifting the wing up.
So per the instructions, we have to take the wing off.
We have to take the wing off, and then we have to take this off as well. And I actually, there's no ECU in it right now, so that's not gonna pop. So we gotta plug the ECU back in so we can pop that, so we can get this out.
So you got that back in a day? 2 days?
Yeah. Shipped it Wednesday. It arrived back.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Who's tuning it?
Hiker Fast Cars.
Yeah. Or were those not the instructions? In the text.
There were instructions, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can be the instruction guy.
So does that come out easy?
Fairly easy. It wasn't too bad. Just had to remove the fender liner, and the hardest thing actually was unplugging it, which I hope I put this back in the right way. This goes up under here.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah. So there's 2 harnesses that clip into it.
So pro tip, make sure you have all the tools that you need. We've been doing
Hey.
this. What?
3 hours trying to take these screws out.
So we're in a super organized drawer looking for tools.
Yeah, this is.
Joe's forearms are gonna be huge
I
after
know.
this.
Feeling the pump. Okay, hang on. I plugged in something over here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the brake light.
Step 2, take the brake light off. All right, so we're trying to get the bottom up. What are we taking off, Joe?
That big.
The clamshell?
Clamshell, yeah.
All right.
All right, we gotta loosen this so that we can push it forward.
Okay, pro tip, get this clamshell out. You have to make sure these are totally vertical or you can't get the back part of the clamshell over it. Also leave it seated so you can push this radiator, is that what it is? Push it forward enough.
Auxiliary radiator.
Yeah, so you
thing.
can push it forward enough to get it over that. You probably want more than one guy. So,
100%.
yeah.
As many people as possible.
Also, these rubber, what are these?
They're like little rubber grommets.
Yeah, make sure you pull those out because you will lose them within the car.
They sit
So
like that.
they sit in there. Pull those out so you don't lose those.
I think we just need to loosen the brackets.
Oh, maybe we do have instructions. Let's try that.
Oh, here's the, here are those hex Torx nut things that we were talking about.
You're gonna need an E12 to get that off.
Either that or like dominoes.
It's coming out.
Maybe.
It's coming right out.
There it is.
Where are we?
There
we go. Heyo.
Hey, does it feel heavy compared to the other one?
It's got to.
Dude.
So much lighter?
Probably, I don't know, 10, 15 pounds maybe?
Well, that's significant.
You see?
Okay.
So the yellow one is the back one.
Thank you. Put out the O2 sensors?
Yeah.
All right, look who showed up.
I've been here the entire time. Mark edited me out, I swear.
He had some stuff he had to do. But he's back. He's here now.
I'm back. They need a Lambo mechanic to work on this. What kind of car is this? What is this? Oh, McLaren, that's right. So is Lambo.
12C plus. All right, so pro tip, the heat shield has to come off before you pull the pipes out.
Heat shield's out.
Let's see. So this
Also, as you pull this out, you need to rotate
Okay,
it
you're on the hanger,
counterclockwise.
or you're on that line again. That hanger.
Oh, I see it.
So you gotta like.
That hanger's bolted on.
Yes,
No,
bolted on.
Well, no.
The downpipe one is welded on.
Yeah. That's good.
Hang on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, there you go. See, they call me in. I come over here and do the hard stuff that no one else can do.
I love that I get to edit these videos. Yeah.
Cut all that shit
Oh
out.
no, this is a
So
lie.
Mark pretty much did all the work. I just showed up for the
Tomorrow we're
glory.
gonna shoot this shot again with me holding this,
Here,
not
there you
being
go.
an arrogant cocksucker.
Wow. Good.
Wow.
So we got this out finally. We had to remove the heat shield, and victory is ours.
We were playing with fire.
Why you say that?
Look, that's your power to the alternator.
So pro tip, you either want to undo the ECU or undo the battery because the starter is really close to where the ECU's at. So if you accidentally touch the starter power wire, you know, with metal, it could send a little electrical shock, blow out your ECU or whatever. So pro tip, make sure you do that.
All right.
Big fail.
Day 2, because we didn't finish last night, because it was a 12-hour job, so that kind of makes sense. We're trying to get these heat shields back on. You have to reuse the heat shields for the new, what are the downpipes?
Yep.
But unfortunately, they don't really line up, as with most aftermarket things, so we're going to have to do some finagling. So we pulled the driver's side pipe out because the heat shielding doesn't match exactly.
Well,
Part of it is we stretched it out trying to get out of the car.
Really tight fit. So we want to try to mold it off the car as best we can, and then take it off, put the downpipe in, and then so hopefully it lines up a little better in the car.
In the car, there's
Is
no room
the
on the driver's
idea.
side at all.
So what's crazy is like, I mean, this one lines up pretty good. Let's do the top ones.
No revving pro tip. On these clamps here, make sure you get these nice and loose. That way these two clamps can slide together on both sides. Otherwise they're at crazy angles. So makes it go on much easier.
Christian Newbie got me feeling like had a slight lead, thinking if you might be drinking heavy fighting, texting me, hey, for a better night, please let me pour one if I'm thinking right. Vodka mixed in with Sprite. I know your mission and I could vision me adding more than just ice on your hands. I know you ain't need no man for your.
Be careful when you're putting the wing on. Make sure you start all these individually because these little nuts can strip out and you'd be buying a new McLaren wing. It's probably like $2,000-3,000. Yeah, I'm literally doing these. So our 12-hour project took 9.5 start to finish. So from jacking it up to letting it back down, tires back on the ground. So in what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes of
Yeah, I'd say 45 minutes.
doing a tool run. So really about nine solid hours of everything start to finish. So we're about to do the cold start here. Check it out. Should sound great. So full iPE, no cats, got a full tune, hyper fast tune. Should sound hyper good. Hyper good. This guy.
Oh god. We're tight, right? Everything's tight.
Yeah.
Like,
I loosened up your lug nuts, but we're good. Righty loosey, right?
righty. Okay. You guys ready?
Yes.
Holy shit.